Hello and welcome, my name is Callum from the Volkswagen Van Centre in Liverpool, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Volkswagen Caddy C20 Cargo Commerce Pro. It is a 2024 registered vehicle and comes with a 2-litre diesel engine and the automatic transmission. It's finished in the pure grey solid paintwork, giving it a sleek look. Taking a look at your exterior features, on the front you'll find your automatically activating headlights with these separate daytime running lights. You've also got the electrically adjustable, folding and heated door mirrors. And around to the rear you'll find the reversing camera as well as parking sensors on the front and at the rear to aid when manoeuvring. Inside the load space you've got the barn style doors opening nice and easily, sliding side door as well for access to the rear, and you've got the lashing rings on the floor for load restraint. Into the front you'll find the electric windows and the door mirror controls on here. Inside you've got some fantastic styling, very modern look, and you have also got the cloth upholstered seating which is super comfortable, coming with the armrests and the Ergo Comfort lumbar support for the driver. On the steering wheel you'll find the adaptive cruise control and speed limiter functions as well as volume for your media system. You've also got the next and back buttons to the right and controls for the digital cockpit. Taking a look at this, we can change the dials on either side to view various information, whether that be trip computer or information for the media systems such as the audio. Moving on to the main media system itself, under the telephone tab you can find the Bluetooth hands-free calling connection, allowing you to make and take calls on the go. You've also got radio and media, including DAB for stations all across the country, as well as USB and Bluetooth connectivity for your own personal media streaming. You've got the navigation system built into the screen as well, so you can navigate to those unfamiliar destinations and even shows nearby points of interest. If you prefer to use your own applications from your smartphone, then you can connect it via USB, allowing for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It comes with a reversing camera as well, so you can see nice and clearly behind, and the parking guidelines do make it a little bit easier. Parking sensors diagram also helps as well. You've got climate controls on the system adjustable as well with the touchscreen, making it nice and easy to make quick changes. Underneath here you'll find some controls as well for your climate as well as activating the parking sensors. Underneath you have a 12 volt, 2 USB-Cs, your start stop engine button, automatic transmission, electronic parking brake and plenty of central storage. For more information visit the Swansway Motor Group website or give us a call on 01515 152 911. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you soon.